Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the cloud link so a restore cannot begin. First, go to Google Drive or iCloud and delete the WhatsApp backup or revoke app access. Once done, turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data on your phone. Do not proceed while you have a connection. Then uninstall WhatsApp. This prevents any immediate background restore. Make sure you know which account held the backup so you can remove it fully. This is the essential first actionable step to stop restoring. With the phone offline, reinstall WhatsApp and verify your number. When WhatsApp detects backups, it will prompt to restore. Choose skip or don't restore. The app will set up a fresh account without importing history. Make sure you do not grant cloud permissions during the setup flow, because reconnecting accounts or allowing access can trigger an immediate restore. Once the account is created, confirm empty chat list. These steps are the critical middle actions that prevent any automatic restoration from occurring. After the fresh setup finishes while offline, turn your internet back on and confirm no old chats synced. If history appears despite precautions, immediately revoke WhatsApp access to Google Drive or iCloud and delete the backup file, then uninstall and reinstall again while offline. Once satisfied, either keep backups disabled or create a new backup intentionally. Key troubleshooting tip: if a restore persists, sign into the cloud account on a computer. Verify and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.